got this shit. You smoking that shit. Yeah. Nigga, I'm about to fuck. Oh, nigga, I'm fucking ass. Shit. She mad as bitch. Nah, I'm going for these two. Come on. I'm like this. What's your Instagram? Huh? Okay, that means 3. That means 3. Scream my yeah, you right now. She don't like it. She don't like niggas? You need to tell her to change that. Alright. The fuck? I'm recording. I do YouTube. I ain't like you beautiful. How old are you? I'm about to be 21. Oh my gosh, you a last girl. No, I ain't gonna. I'm 18 though. I'm 18. 18. You can grow me up though. I just turned 18. But you can grow me up though. Well, you just turned 18? I turned 18 like April 23rd. I ain't gonna lie. You can take a little risk. Shit. At least I told you. Why you got the security thing on? I don't know. You worrying about the wrong person. Me and you. It just caught my eye. It's me and you though. Right. You a baby. We could be like. But you can grow me up though. Right. You gonna grow me up? I'm gonna see. You see it. Yeah, this shit is crazy. Hopefully be safe though. Alright? Be safe. Shit, it's crazy out here. Alright? Crazy. I'm crushing all these little girls. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Bro, the more we stand here, bro, it's finna rain, bro. Come on, bro. Hold on. Alright, fuck it. Y'all ready? Yeah, I had to throw that shit, cuz I ain't gonna lie. Are you ready? Nigga, hold on. I need someone to take this 3. 3 right there. Light skin. God, fucking damn the bitch with a pink. Pink, black, and tall shit. I get tall shit. The one with the red dot. I like tall girls too. Alright, I get the pink one then. Alright, ready? Just stay right here. Just stay right here. Turn around. Oh, you ready? Wait. Let me check it out real quick. They're right there, right? Oh, hell no, she's too tall. That's why he's taking her. Alright, look, them 3, and then we got these joints over here, alright? So these joints and these 3, alright? I see 2 men right there. Huh? Where? Where? Which ones? No, them, they right there though. Oh, alright, fuck. Oh shit. Nigga dropped the blunt. Tell us, son. What's that gang? What's that, son? Damn, my shit again. Shit getting a little fuck. Now, for real, I feel like we on the wrong side of that shit. Yeah. Damn, damn. Fuck all that. Hold on, wait. Well, let Eli cook up. Like, I'm not fucking listening. Let Eli cook. No. Excuse me. I guess Instagram. Alright, I ain't like you look beautiful though. You look beautiful though. Thank you. I won't run off on you. Alright, there you go. Have a great day, man. 2-1. But it's not even turning into an ocean front anymore. This shit just turned into a trap. Oh, God. Come here, look behind you. She was looking at you. Oh, God. Oh, my life. Check it. Oh, my gosh, Red, you look good. I need you. Then come over here. Her head big as hell, though. Damn. Got your dumb head. Not one light skin, though. You know, I'm about to spin back. So, ready? Are you Instagram? I saw you looking at me. And like, you look beautiful. Oh, I was looking at you. Huh? Looking, not sneezing. I was looking at you? Yeah. Wait. I don't know. You're looking at me now, though. I am looking at you now because I'm having a conversation. Exactly. You got that WI contact, though. Yeah. Can I get your Instagram or number? I have it right now. How old are you? I'm 17, about to turn 18. Right. Hey, yo! You can get mine. I'm typing on your phone. Make sure you don't lose it. Why? I don't get my phone to people. Then you type it in there. Okay. Yeah. Go on Instagram. I'm good, bro. The thing is, shorty ass, you gonna be like, I can get your Instagram. But she talking about she want to type in there. Bro, these fake ass stars, bro. Y'all thugs, bro. Come on, gang. Y'all sharking on these bitches, though? Y'all sharking?
Nah.
You sharking? You sharking?
What he say?
You sharking? You sharking?
I ain't no shark. No, I ain't sharking. No.
Are you sharking?
I don't know, bro. You sharking?
Yeah.
So why you right here with us? Why you not sharking?
For YouTube.
All right, so go
Gotta get
record the
everybody in
whole
this shit.
Go record the whole thing.
Huh?
We can show these niggas how to do it.
Exactly.
I got show us.
Hey, hold up. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to talk to you.
Okay. Can I get your Instagram then?
I have a man. I'm sorry.
Can I get your Instagram?
Yeah. Yo, one by one. I really do.
Okay. I got a nigga. Your nigga's not here, so fuck all that. Nah, those friend getting your shit crushed just like that shit. All the way in the fucking window. Like, come on. Next. Alright, we messing around shit. There's too many bitches over there. Hold on. Get hoes.
Why she
She said we like
around like a fat ass fucking road? You say he fuck with the what?
Huh?
He fuck with the what?
Nigga, fuck that shit, nigga. I'm charging. I get your Instagram. You look beautiful. I'm 18. I turn 19 next year. Why?
I'm 21.
Okay, you can grow me up. You can grow me up?
Too young for me. I'm sorry.
What that
Well,
mean?
Nice meeting you.
I told her I was 19.
She said she was 21.
Like, ain't no way this nigga's like really dead ass getting bitches, bro. Like, damn, she thick as hell too, bro. Damn, he fucked up too. Shit. Yes. I'm YouTube too. I'm YouTube too. What you got going on after? Bro. I ain't glad you say it's kind of crazy out here. I want you to die. You in my heart.
They got police everywhere. They about to hold it. Yeah, she is. They got people in the middle of the street, man. This is Virginia Beach for y'all, man. Y'all better pop up.
I'm about to push. It's like something gonna happen. But I want skins though. Hey, skins. I get your Instagram.
Yeah.
All right. You look beautiful.
Damn, bitch. I could have get my Instagram. Y'all moving to
I ain't gonna lie. They doing too much. You gotta be like your friend though. They standing right here. Come on.
Y'all was rushing me. I said, hurry up.
Oh, look at the horn. All right, there you go, man. Have a good day. Two for two. I guess your Instagram. I guess your Instagram. You look beautiful.
Thank you. I forgot my Instagram.
Can I get your number then? I get your number.
My number.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18.
Yeah.
I'm too old for you.
And then you can grow me up then.
Where you up?
Yeah, grow me up.
I already got a child. Too much.
Okay then. But I got the racks though.
You got a what?
I got them racks.
Oh, alright. You're on Instagram.
All right.
Wait, I'm gonna tell you. Where'd you go?
You look like I got my phone. I'm YouTubing.
Oh no.
You said no? My nigga, what the fuck? Niggas recording like fuck you, hoe. Like real shit. I'm gonna go for that whole fuck. Nigga, I'm gonna take that whole crowd down. Say I won't take that whole crowd down. Hey, fuck that. Nigga, I'm about to get in this shit. I get your Instagram. No? I can get your Instagram. I ain't worrying about your boyfriend. I got more money than him. I don't really give a fuck. Shit, say fuck your boyfriend. I get your Instagram. I get your Instagram. I get your Instagram.
I got a girlfriend.
I don't care.
She's right here.
Okay. You ain't trying to have a 3? I don't give a fuck. You don't give a fuck. If you ain't trying to have a 3, like, Now that's the real shark right there. I ain't gonna lie. I'm the real shark. He never pushed up. That big ass crowd. Come on. Niggas all talk. Come on. Yeah, this shit too deep. I can't even remember none of these females. Uh, Excuse me. Are you serious, girl? Okay. Do she got a man? Do anyone else got a man?
I got a man.
Who else got a man?
Yeah.
Y'all do? Yeah. Yeah. I'm the dream team. So I'm going for the whole team? Fuck your dream. Like, what's up? Y'all niggas some rookies. I see you on your phone. I get your Instagram. Oh, okay. Cool. She was shopping with her long ass nose. Long ass neck. Giraffe head ass. Huh? I know they sitting down. Yeah, but it's like everybody. Niggas not winning for it. I feel like going for this one. Let's go real quick, big bro. Might be her Instagram. Nah, I don't even want it anymore. Fuck. Shit. Niggas taking my shit. Huh? I don't know, man. Shit just moving. I ain't worrying about if I get Bob. Shit. Whatever girls I get shit. The bitches I'm getting, they look pressured. The other ones, they look sharp. Oh yeah, sharp. Excuse me. I use your Instagram. I use your Instagram. I'm 18. My turn next year, huh? But I'm about to turn 19 next year. Yeah. No, I already graduated. I'm in college. Yeah. I go to ODU. Yeah. Oh shit. Alright. I'm a YouTuber. I get it. Huh? He already stopped it. Alright then. Let me get it.
You gotta go, because you're not gonna record my friend.
She mad because she chopped. She mad because I didn't get her Instagram. Who was recording? It's life, bro. It's life. Like, everybody going. Look, every nigga is recording, bro.
She thought she could snatch your phone out. I said, fuck no, you ain't taking that.
Huh? What do you mean?
Eli recorded for you right quick.
Eli's not recording for me. He know damn well he's not about to record.
Yeah, my mama said,
Ain't gonna get your Instagram? Alright.
oh no.
Why?
Where your phone at?
My phone recording. I do YouTube.
Sorry.
Why?
Thank you. This is my phone. Why you recording me?
I'm doing YouTube.
Hey, you too. How y'all doing? No introduction. I'm just saying, like,
Can I get your Instagram, bro?
it's taking more.
I ain't got you just talking too much. Let me get your Instagram. I put more Lulu on that butt. I ain't gonna lie. You like a big crowd? You like big crowd?
I like the big crowd.
Yeah.
Why is he recording?
It's YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say your name.
Avery. Did you come from your school? You drove? Did you guys drive or you guys stayed out here? Uber from Northwood? Yeah. Oh, so we're going back tonight? We going back.
All right, man. Have a good day.
All right, yeah.
And they just yapping.
Her friend had to walk up. She did that shit on purpose, too.
Are you recording on the iPad? Now that's some real nigga shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, let me see my shit out real quick. Let me see my shit out real quick. Hey, Carter died 2 times. I'm sharking, nigga. It's a shark. I'm drawing.
Oh, hey.
Hey!
Hey, we met out here.
Hey, that shit was sneaky. Real shit. I don't know what the fuck you got on. Can I get a kiss too? Oh, fuck you, man. You chop ass. Slow. I'm walking slow. Too many hoes.
Yeah, I fall in love with the bitch.
Damn. Got a record right here. You got 2 cameras.
Oh, what it do?
I might snatch this one right here. Snatch clean everything. That's my ass. I gotta ask Mike. You guys gotta come up.
Hopefully my joint on. Hopefully my joint on. Yeah. Now, but it's connected to his joint.
And then they got a whole ready. What the camera?
My shit on.
Yeah, hold on. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, it's on.
Alright.
All four of us. Alright. I'm typing in your phone. I'm recording. I'm typing in your phone. I'm recording.
It's not my phone. My phone broke actually.
Alright. What's your phone real quick?
Alright.
Nigga, turn it on, nigga. How the fuck you put the Instagram?
Now we was gonna interview him. Nah.
What's the word for funny?
Yeah, that nigga funny as shit. That nigga funny as shit. Thank God.
Why are you babying like that?
I know. Over there. I'm not about to chase her. Damn. Yo, Pink, come here. Yeah, you.
Oh.
Huh?
Lil.Carter is dope. Nigga, she only ain't got a little kick.
No, I'm just high. I'm not. I'm smelling some pussy, bro. That shit stink, bro.
Bro, get a little.
That smell like, that shit like, that's some fucking shit, bro. Like, too much. I start putting this cologne to make these bitches scream, it. Bro, shit, boy. Make sure they know. Alright. Man, what's wrong with her arm? Bitch turned into a turtle.
Everybody drunk and high. Everybody that's drunk and high going. Everybody that's drunk and high going. That's all I got.
White.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Why you drinking? This shit ain't over her head. Oh, you know it. Damn, what the fuck? Hey.
Bro, you hurled the fuck out there.
Y'all good? Everybody good?
Gang, what happened? I just ran to y'all start running. What happened? No. Yeah. Oh, you got that? You got it. Oh, all right.
I got your Instagram.
Oh, all right. We doing you shoot. Oh, what's good, my boy? Yeah.
I gotta go find my sister.
Look at this shit ran over.
Yeah, can you
Bro, Carter is funny as shit.
Find shit. Yo, find shit. He said find shit. I have a find shit. Hey, what the fuck just happened? Y'all get out there. Everybody going crazy.
Yeah, niggas running at this beat. Shit is going on in VA tonight.
This shit crazy.
Why the fuck they letting off shots? Like,
I don't know what happened. I got you.
Hey, that's somebody neck. Don't get that shit.
Hey.
Yeah, go ahead. That's all you.
Damn. They fuck your shit. Hey, I'm gonna what you like, man.
Yeah, we had to get the safety. I'm sorry, my boy.
You know it wasn't me.
Yeah, it wasn't me.
Hey, I remember this. I just know this. It was that girl, right? She was over here, right? Look, her shoes right there. I ain't hell this shit. I ain't hear anything either. Hey, we good?
Yeah,
We good?
Damn. Hold on. What just happened? Wait.
Ask questions. Can't grow me up. He just missed out now. I just ripped out her friend.
Nah, it's really going down this shit though.
I get your Instagram. I get your Instagram.
He just slid on me. And we bought a 7-Eleven. You see the 7-Eleven right here?
I get your Instagram. I get your Instagram.
Damn, you got drunk with your bald headed ass.
She drunk. Nigga, I still get hoes though. Come on. Nah, she drunk as fuck. Look. She's drunk as hell. Huh?
She'll say yeah.
Nigga, everybody over here though. Oh, they talking about fighting. Huh? Get that shit.
Wait, come here. Wait, come here. Wait, I'm about to do like this.
You know I'm a.
Come on, come on, hey.
They shaking ass. Hey.
So saying they got boyfriends. Fuck your boyfriend.
Hey y'all. We're gonna catch y'all back on another video. That's the end of the vlog.